I'm Jenna Stauffer with Ocean Sotheby's International Realty. Today I'm here at Sunset Key, the premier private island of the Florida Keys. We're going to give you a look inside one of my newest listings, 50 Sunset Key Drive. Now this gorgeous home offers you the finest in upscale living while having all the amenities of enjoying a laid-back conch lifestyle. Let's take a look inside. You can take your pick, you can spend your days on your charming front porch, or you can spend your days right here by your gorgeous pool and spa. This outdoor living area has been so well maintained. It is so peaceful, so quiet, and so private. Now this home is offered entirely turnkey, so this is genuinely the ideal opportunity to step right into your next chapter with all of the furnishings and accessories. Of course, one of the best features of this home is this incredible rooftop deck. You have a wet bar, amazing water views, and this is the perfect spot to watch sunset. The Sunset Key is located 500 yards off the coast of Key West, so you can escape by a quick ferry ride to your own private island. They do offer 24/7 ferry service here at Sunset Key, but you might not need to leave the island. There are so many amenities here, which includes 3 private beaches, an award-winning restaurant and spa, tennis courts, bike paths, and you can drive around the island in your own private golf cart. If you are interested in hearing more about Sunset Key and 50 Sunset Key Drive, be sure to contact me today and we'll set up a showing.